Look at those pavers. Look at those sexy, sexy blocks getting ready to go to the homeowners. There we go. Woo. Hey guys, what's going on? It's JJ. We're here back again in Verona. Today we're getting the delivery of the pavers from Johnson & Son over in Bergenfield. Come with me guys, let me show you what's going on back here and show you guys the materials that we got. All right, so in here, these big giant bags, you see, gigantic. We have probably 3 yards of QP, and also in one of these bags we have the stone dust. And on this side, you guys will see the type of pavers that we're using here. This is a lighter, smooth color of pavers that you see here, and on top of this area we got a darker type of pavers. Well, now this right here, what you see guys, is what we're using the blocks for the retaining walls. Now the retaining walls, usually you guys are probably used to seeing the bigger, chunkier blocks, the size measurements that are just giant, like almost like cinder blocks, right? But these are different, and the requirements for these are not to go above 3 feet when installing these type of blocks around your retaining walls. Now what we have to do in this area is we got to grade this. This grading will be getting ready for our retaining walls. Then we'll be getting ready to dropping down our QP, and also eventually we'll be getting ready to drop those beautiful pavers and have the nice, beautiful paver patio completed. Guys, keep yourself watching these videos. Keep coming back. Thank you very much. Be good. Stay awesome.